Okay guys, welcome back na naman sa aking YouTube channel, no. So ngayon 2 weeks na lang ilalabas na tong Legend of Ymir. May bago silang features bago ilabas yung game. So nandito yan sa news. Tapos Legend of Ymir partner server official reveal. So regarding dito, ayan, what is the partner server? Yan, one is a special one of a kind server in Legend of Ymir, where you become the server owner, creating and shaping your own unique world. Selected partner server operators will be granted, official administrator level privilege, allowing them to name their server and determine its region, establish rules and policies, host exclusive events and manage the community directly. Medyo mahirap to guys, no? Sa totoo lang, ikaw yung magmamanage ng isang server, no? You are the law of your server, create your own rule and guide your community with your philosophy. You are the event planner and design and host special events for your fellow warriors. So, depende pala to kung papasukan ng mga player, di ba? You are the storyteller, build a unique history and identity that sets your server apart from all others. So, talagang contest din to. Kung talagang merong gustong maging partner server ng Legend of Ymir. Yan. Special benefits for partner server operators. Those selected as partners, operators of partner server will be granted powerful administrative privilege to manage their server successfully, along with the special rewards that recognize their leadership and efforts. So, yun. Number 1, server management authority. Partners can exercise strong administrative rights such as community management and event hosting for a 6-month term. So meron ka lang parang nagtatrabaho ng 6-month term. Special rewards, the award system, ayan, partner server will receive Wemix awards based on the net sales generated by their server as recognition for their contribution and success. So pwede kang pumaldo kung maraming tatalpak dun sa gagawin mong server. 'Di ba? The more your server grows, the greater the honor and rewards you will earn, di ba? Exclusive competition, partner server intergroup. Engage in thrilling competition between partner server in inter-server areas. So, ibig sabihin, yung partner server pwedeng makihalubilo din, no? Sa mga inter-server areas, no? Server in inter-server areas, offering an even deeper and more immersive experience. Hindi kayo magkaroon ng dayan dito, guys, regarding date sa competition. So, malalaman na lang natin yan. Paano sumali sa partner server? Yan, magkakaroon ng auction, guys, no? 3 partner server, 10 partner server yung ibibid. Ayan, no? A total 10 parts will be available through auction. Server auction schedule held over 5 rounds and with 2 server per round, providing multiple opportunities to participate even if you miss or lose a previous bid. Depending on the auction circumstances, 2 or more server auction may proceed simultaneously. Okay? So, round 1 and October 16 to 17. So, pwede kang mag-bid. Kasi yung bid dito. Tapos, pangalawa, ayan, October to 19. So, bali 10 server, 5 rounds bago magsimula nga yung game. So, pwede kang magmamay-ari ng isang server. So, tatawagin isang partner server. Tapos, meron pa silang streamer, di ba? Yung partner sa streamer, sila din yung parang magmamanage din ng mga events, di ba? So, yeah, pwede ka na mag-bid siguro, mga bossing. So, dito sa features, pakita mo naman yung bidding din na dito. Ayan, rule the server, bid the GM. Diba? Bid now. So, ayan. You know. So, starting. So, Ymir token na pang-bid. Ayun, no? Ymir token. So, possible tumaas yung Ymir token. Pang-bid dito. No? So, possible na umangat yung presyo ng Ymir token, mga bossing. Ayun, no? Pang-bid kasi Ymir token, eh. So, marami kang Ymir token na hawak, pwede mapupunta sa iyo yung isang server. So, kita-kits dito, tingin natin kung magkano yung aabutin ng Ymir token. So, syempre, yung Wemix gagalaw dyan. So, magkakaalaman na yan sa 16. So, abangan natin. Bukas pala to start, no? Ayan, no? Starting ng alas 12. Tapos, matatapos din siya ng 11:59 PM bago mag-October 17. Okay? Ay, hindi. 16 to 17 pala. Medyo matagal, no? 18 to 19. So, yun. So, yun lamang guys. Keep grinding. Yan. Kung gusto nyo sumali. At magmay-ari ng isang, 10 server yan, mga boss. So, kung gusto mo mapabilang dyan at mag-manage ng isang server, napaka-goods. Kasi, yan, kita mo naman 15% net of net sales revenue share. Di ba? Okay, so yun lamang guys. Keep grinding hanggang sa muli. Paalam.